Imagine going to a grocery store on March 15th of 2020. You just found out that your city is going into lockdown and that you'll be staying in your home for the foreseeable future. First, you buy some goods you need anyways, like apples and chicken breasts and toothpaste. But you buy extra because you're planning on cooking at home more. Then you think about how long you'll be at home and decide to buy some non-perishable goods like pasta and canned olives. As you head home, you realize how much time you'll have on your hands and add bread yeast to your list for next trip. The items you just bought fall into three categories: essential items that you would already buy, COVID panic items like non-perishables, and boredom purchases to pass the time. Given this change in purchasing behavior, how can grocery stores predict what items are the most demanded and stock shelves accordingly? In a changing world of demands, we are 2-Meter Market, a group focused on dynamic solutions to dynamic problems. Instead of trying to predict future demand for every item, we're focused on how purchasing behavior has changed with our new normal lifestyle. First, products will be grouped by buying trends via clustering. Clustering by buying trends, like panic buying versus essentials, differs from the traditional approach of looking at product categories like baked goods or fruits and vegetables. Once these buying trends are identified, forecasting will be used to predict future purchasing. In this video, we will address how we are handling data and modeling, our workflow, deliverables, and assumptions and limitations of our approach. The data. During the past few months, we have seen a distinct evolution in sales and consumer trends. The impact of COVID-19 has shifted what products are important and has made traditional product groupings less effective for predicting future sales. Seeking to better model this landscape, we will be undertaking a two-pronged technical approach. Phase 1, clustering. First, with the intention of formulating product groups that better represent the new emerging trends, we will cluster products across time according to their sales response to COVID-19. Ideally, these clusters will lead to groupings that aren't simply dried fruits, drinks, and frozen goods, but possibly groupings like essential products, stockpile items, and other things like this that are according to the purchasing trends for specific items. This clustering will mainly take time and percent variation in sales as variable inputs. Phase 2, forecasting. Once the new clusters are created, we will then look to predict the future trends of these groups based upon the COVID-related data concerning death rates and number of new cases. We will model the two different COVID scenarios, one where there's a resurgence in the number of COVID cases, and another where there's a continued return to normal. These analyses